My name Gaurav Lunge, class BSc third year, 6th semester. Group MBZ, topic name is Liquid Drop Model. Introduction, Postulate, Liquid Drop Model and Nuclear Fission, Advantages and Limitation. Introduction, Nuclear Models, Liquid Drop Models. Nucleus is imagined to consist of a stable central core of nucleons where nuclear forces completely saturated a surface layer of nucleons that are not bound tightly. This weaker binding at the surface decreases the effective Be per nucleon, provides an attraction of the surface nucleons toward the core just as the surface tension to the liquid world. Postulate of liquid drop model. Nucleus is the homogeneous entity consisting of certain number of protons and neutrons. Second, each nucleon interact strongly with all its neighbors. Third, consider the collective motion of all the nucleons. Fourth, the integration force, nuclear force, is assumed to be a short range one tending to saturation. This nuclear force is similar to that of intermolecular force of attraction in a liquid drop. 5. Nuclear force is independent of charge and spin of the nucleons. Sixth, behavior of nucleus is comparable to that of liquid drop. Next, liquid drop model binding energy. Additional additional correction to components. The deficiency give correction to the empirical formula. All permanents are the assumed to be positive. The fourth term reflect n is equal to z stability. The last term positive signature is the chosen for odd nuclei reflecting stability, and negative sig is choose for even nuclei, and for odd a nuclei small a is chosen to be O sinus Be can be describable for this nuclei without this term. Then next, liquid drop model and nuclear fission. Fission barrier. The liquid drop model can explain the phenomenon of nuclear fission. On applying a large external force, the sphere may change into an ellipsoid. The external force is satisfy large ellipsoid may change into a dumb bell shape and may even break at the narrow end into two proteins. According to Brouwer theory, the nucleus behaves like a liquid when the nucleons capture a neutrons falling on it. It forms a compound nucleus which is the highly enter. Advantages of liquid drop model. First, it provides the basis for the equation of for the calculating the accurate binding energies of nuclei and hence their the atomic masses. Next, radioactive decay could be the predicted correctly. Third, it could explain the nuclear fission reaction. Fourth, it explains the mechanism of low energy nuclear reaction. Fifth, the predicts A minus and B emission properties capable of explaining nuclear properties in existed state. The next, limitation of liquid drop model. First, the periodicity in nuclear properties at magic number of protons and neutrons does not find any satisfactory explanation in this model, therefore fails to explain magic number. The next, it fails to explain to stability of heavy nuclide. Third, this model is not consistent with the pp and nn pairing effect which are permanently observed in stable nuclei. Fourth, the model ignore independent motion of nucleons, magnetic movement effects, etc. Thank you.